In a softly lit nursery, Maya the curious baby wakes to a tiny itch on her nose and smiles at the cozy world. She scrunches her face, nudges her nose, and sneezes, tumbling gently but laughing as soft blankets cradle her. Tonight she wears a pastel onesie with the idiom promising calm in a storm, while a lullaby hums in the background. The nursery window glows as a toy rabbit tips its ears and follows her tiny footprints through the soft light. By bedtime, Maya learns that small slips turn into big smiles, and that wonder grows where curiosity leads.